Them jokers cooked, y'all. Y'all thought this was a game. They are not playing. That's the smoke. I got the coleslaw. We got pulled pork. We got that chicken. Oh, they just pulled some off the grill. Tell us what y'all think. Yo, we got the cheesy in there. This is how we do it. But don't forget, the chicken's cooking on the grill and the fish. Y'all thought this was a game. What's going on, family? This your man, Matt DV. I am still in Pattaya, Thailand, but I'm in an area called the Dark Side. Man, I just took a 15-minute motorbike ride over here. It was a lot of traffic. We were going in and out of traffic. Right now, I'm going over my homies, Cando's and Justin's house, and I want to have a barbecue, man. I said, yo, can I come over, cook some hot dogs, cook some hamburgers? They said, just come over. So let's go over here and check them out. These houses here on the dark side, right? They got like these walls. They're like really kind of like gated communities. And let's walk back here, y'all. Clouds are really dark. I smell flowers, man. A lot of flowers and stuff here. I have been back here before. That's why I know my way. I just heard some type of animal go wrong. Oh, that was that dog. See that dog under there? Y'all see them little dogs? That's a serious door, y'all. Let me find out nobody home. Knock, knock. Sawadee krap. Hi, how are you? Do I know you? You know me? We here, man, at Cando's joint. Right here. This to show you how some of the rich folks from Florida live and stuff back here. Oh, that water looks nice and clean, man. I didn't bring my shorts, y'all. I'm ready to borrow a pair of shorts now. Yo, that's Justin right there. Where you coming from?
I just went to get food.
We gonna cook, right?
I thought so, but Kendo fucking passed out.
I knew Ken. I told y'all he was asleep.
Yeah,
I said he was gonna be
what
asleep.
it do,
What's happening, man?
Yeah, what's poppin'?
That's my brother Justin right there, y'all. It's all good, man. As soon as I seen the water, I was like, I should have bought my shorts.
I got some extras.
He always say that, y'all. He got extras. I got some extras. Who's shy? How you know me? Are you shy? You camera shy? Look, y'all, she coming on my face. She eating, y'all. She like, don't film me while what you eating? What you eating, huh? What? Is this your girlfriend?
Yeah. That's
We met before?
I don't know.
She said she knew me. You know me? Yes, for the pool party. Yes. Hey, buddy. I may not play with the dog, though. Because once you start playing with them, they try to bite you on the sneak tip. All right, y'all, let me figure out the situation here. Cando's sleep, and I'm hungry already. I want some hot dogs. We're going to get the grill together. I don't know. Is this whole trip in vain? Candle just woke up, y'all. That's really sad, man. You said 3 o'clock, man. All right, y'all, I'm taking this walk to the store now, and I'm just like walking by these banana trees. So I was like, let me turn my camera on. Love these banana trees, y'all. Check them out, y'all. They out here just growing wild. Remember I ate that rice that was in them banana leaves? Banana. That's that banana. Is this cool or what, man? That banana. I'm going to the store to get the groceries. All right, y'all, I'm out here on the corner. I just made this left-hand turn, and I'm about to go into this spot right here called Lotus Go Fresh. It's like a little supermarket, little market in here. Let's go see if they got what I need. Oh, they got groceries. Oh, I want a watermelon now, y'all. Look. I want one of these watermelons now. I need the shopping cart. What I need. All right, I'm gonna go check all of this out, y'all. And see what's good in here. Oh, they got a lot of stuff. I don't think they got no hamburgers, hot dogs in here. All right, so I see the hot dogs here. These hot dogs are 75 baht a package. That's like $3, Not $3, $2 and some change. Package, we're gonna get these right here. I got the smaller package, the ones that look like link sausages, and I got the big package. Let's go now. We about to go get some bread now. That's the bread right here. I think she said bread. That's not bread. Right? Y'all know I want some rolls, but this type of bread is gonna have to do. I'm gonna have to get 2 bags of these. That was all right, it's coming. This is gonna be the total, y'all. So far we got 224 baht. Okay, y'all, I got all of that, the drinks, hot dogs, and everything. It came to $19 and like 80 cents, almost $20. And 2 big bags here. And there is beer in this bag too, because I know that some of them wanted beer. So I bought actually 6 20-ounce beers also. So that all came to almost $20. Good deal, right? Let's go cook. Oh, y'all, and check out my lava hat here representing Cando's brand, Lava Heads. Got my Lava Heads hat. I like this hat. Y'all know I'm gonna wear the hell out of it. All right, y'all, that's 6 beers. These like 20-ounce beers. How many ounces are these? 20s? 20-ounce peanuts. Got the hot dogs. It's like 2 packages, and I don't know what these little ones are. I think they snacks. Got the hot dogs with the skin on them. Got these packages here. 1, 2, 3, to 6, 12 in this one. And then we got the little small halves of bread. Came to $19, y'all. What say y'all? Was that expensive? All right, y'all. See what kind of hot dogs these are? These the ones that got the skin on them like that. I thought just one set of them did. I'd have just bought the dark red ones, but they look official, y'all. Check it out. We gonna rinse them with the sink water first, y'all. Then I'm gonna take them outside and run a bottle of water on them. Real simple. Oh, y'all look at the dog. Be quiet. Don't let them know we got hot dogs here. You'd have a fit. You putting your fingers on the hot dogs. I like the way they wrap too, y'all. Look at that. I'm gonna put them like that. That should be good. We just gonna let them sit in there, right over that flame. Meanwhile, back at the grill. Boom. Oh, that joker. It was cheese in there? I did not know it was cheese in there. I didn't know, y'all. These jokers plumping up. I was telling Justin, let's get some more heat on them. They plumping up, y'all. Look, there's cheese in them. Get back. Get back, y'all. I didn't know it was cheese in them dogs right there. We should have boiled them. Ow, 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 ouch. That's hot. That's hot, y'all. That's hot. I didn't know, y'all. I'm about to dig in. I'm gonna get some cheese. The cheese in them dogs. I did not know the hot dogs had cheese in it, y'all. That just goes to show you that you should learn how to read Thai while you here. I learned how to speak Thai, man. That would be a challenge, to learn how to read Thai also. But I didn't know there was cheese in them hot dogs, y'all. I'm still excited. I'm gonna get some mustard, put them on them anyway. Let's go. All right, y'all, here it is. Oh, they just pulled some off the grill. Tell us what y'all think. Yo, we got the cheesy in there. That's a cheesy one. How's it taste? Good? Yo, I told you I know how to make hot dogs. Yo, it's time to go and get that bread. And I'm gonna go for the cheese one too, since they said it's good. Let's put that cheesy dog right there like that. This is how we do it. Boom, doo-doom, doo-doom. You heard that joker snap? Oh, this is gonna be the thumbnail. No, it gotta be like, where the sun at? Too much sun. It's official, y'all. The hot dog with the cheese in it is good. Big shout out to Cando and Justin for letting us come out to their crib to barbecue some hot dogs.
Let's go.
Kendall got the red one now. It's got that snap, y'all, but it actually got that crisp. Can you hear it? Look, y'all. I've had a ball in Thailand, and I've constantly been thinking about that it's time to go back. Look at them birds up there being nasty. Anyway, I'm constantly thinking about my trip back. I keep telling everybody I'm coming back for like 30 days. I am truly thinking about taking not just a cross-country adventure in the Outback, but I'm thinking about going from Maine to Miami. What y'all think? Or like Maine to Texas. What y'all think about that? Yo, this is really good. There's a good red one right there. Let's check it out. You know, I should put on the bread like that. I'm gonna do it like this one, or like this. Check it out. Oh, put that mustard on them. That's that French's. Well, let me let y'all see the hot dog proper. First, I'm gonna bite the little, oh, look, the bread's messing up. I like the red ones better. Yeah. What'd you think, Kando? I think the red ones, in my opinion, are better. What you making? You making pork, chicken?
Chicken wings.
Chicken wings?
Yes.
Jerk chicken wings or just regular? You making Thai wings?
Not Thai wings,
Okay.
but American. American wings.
American wings, like barbecue, huh? Yo, she putting them wings on there, y'all. Where those wings at?
My name is Will. I'm down at Jomp 10 at the moment. We are celebrating a birthday party for our friend Cruiser. My girlfriend and I run a barbecue company that's mobile all throughout Pattaya and surrounding areas. It's called Smoke Angels Premium Barbecue, and we're mobile. So if you think like the pig on the spit, this is American backyard barbecue brought to your bar, your villa, or private party anywhere in this area. So we want to be a crowd magnet that brings people into the bar, puts them in the seat, keeps them there, let them drink some beer. Right now we are doing pulled pork sandwiches tonight. We've got some lemon pepper with Frank's hot sauce on the wings. We got homemade potato salad, coleslaw, and then we also made some Thai salad, Thai spicy sausage salad for the ladies that are here. So anyway, if you're looking for a barbecue company, you want to try something different, we're on Facebook, we're on Instagram, Smoke Angels Premium BBQ.
That's the birthday man right there. That's the birthday man.
Happy St. Patrick's Day.
Got the lights going
If
on.
you're not in Thailand, you're wrong.
I concur. Check out them wings, y'all. Where those wings at? Check out these wings, y'all. Y'all seen them on the grill. They smell absolutely amazing. Now I'm about to go into it. I know it's on my lip. I know. I know it's on my lip. Oh, wow. Wow, it's official, y'all. Yo, y'all saw that cat? He's from down in Tennessee. He's from down in Memphis. He's at Memphis, right? He's from Memphis, Tennessee, y'all. Just that Tennessee barbecue transferred to his Thai girlfriend. They doing it right. It's official, y'all. I gotta walk out here a little bit. That is really good chicken. I gotta get all into this. I feel that pepper too. The pepper is a strong pepper taste. I taste a little lemon too, but then hence, that's why they call it lemon pepper. But don't forget, the chicken's cooking on the grill and the fish. Y'all thought this was a game. Here in Jomtien, Pattaya. Uh-oh, look at Tez, y'all. Uh-oh. Here we go again, y'all. Y'all know I love the rain. It's raining here in Pattaya, Thailand. It's pouring down out there, y'all. Had the air conditioner on, but I figured I'd open up the windows. Look at that storm passing through. It's like the clouds are down here. Very low visibility over there, about a half a mile. Look at the storm front.